Hello. So, I just want to give you a quick update of my pregnancy so far. I am currently 34 weeks, which feels like freaking 45 because I'm about to explode. But, yep, here's the update. I went to the doctor because I thought I had contractions because my belly was feeling tight. I was getting pains, but I thought it was Braxton Hicks, so I didn't really think much from it. I was hoping for Braxton Hicks. When I went, he monitored the baby for approximately 30 minutes and everything was perfect. The heart rate was perfect. Nothing seemed out of the norm. So he just told me to go home and whatever. Then I get a call saying I'm anemic, that I need to ASAP take some iron pills twice a day because my hemoglobin is so low that was causing the contractions. Who would have thought? Everything is better now. It's been 2 days since I've been taking the iron pills and the baby is cramping less, but I still feel the baby cramping, which still scares me because if you're anemic, you can have preterm labor. That's one of the side effects of being anemic. You can have a preemie baby because the baby won't grow as much and you will have to take the baby out. I'll show you my belly in a second. It's not as big as I thought it would be at 34 weeks. I've gained 25 pounds so far with this pregnancy. With my first baby, I gained 50 pounds. So by 34 weeks, I think I was at 40 pounds over already. So I'm happy that I haven't gained as much weight as the one before because, it is not easy to lose all the baby weight. It took me 10 months to lose 40 pounds. And I'm not looking forward to 10 more months of waiting to see if you're gonna get back to your normal weight. Besides that, everything has been great. My baby is now 1.5 years almost. I'm pretty sure he's excited for his new sibling because he loves babies, he has little cousins, and he loves little people. So I'm super excited for him that he gets a new baby, a new play buddy. But I am ready for this pregnancy to be done. All I've been doing lately, just chewing on ice, which explains anemic, and not breathing. That's what I've been doing lately. Not being able to breathe. I can barely walk. This pregnancy hit me way harder. I don't know why. This baby is in the center, so it feels like my belly button is gonna break 24/7. That's literally how I feel. And if I ate 10 plates a day and I'm not even eating that much, which is crazy because my firstborn made me eat so much. I was eating dessert every day with every food, like pizza, fast food, everything you could imagine I was eating. This baby has made me crave fruit, which I'm super grateful because every morning all I'm craving is fruit and little pieces of cheese with some wheat crackers. Don't even ask me why because I love that type of snacks, but not to eat it every day as a breakfast. I'm excited. Actually, this is the chair. I swear it's not me. My mom just got me all the essentials for the hospital and I'm super excited to pack my hospital bag, which I'll be doing a video on that too, in case there's mamas that don't know what to put in the hospital bag. I already experienced what I was missing. So I'm super ready this time. I haven't bought any extra stuff besides the ones that my mom got me. She pretty much got me the Frida stuff, which I don't know if you know what that is, but I'll explain later in the next video. It's more of the taking care of vaginal delivery, not C-section. They do have stuff for C-section, that brand, but I bought mostly vaginal delivery stuff because that's what I'm hoping for. I do not want a C-section and hopefully we don't get one. I also have to make the pads with aloe, which you put in the freezer. That can be all in that video because I haven't bought the pads so I can make it. I do have the aloe, I had leftover from last time. Lavender oil and witch hazel. You pretty much mix it all together inside every pad, close them back up, and you put them in the freezer. This I learned from my friend Destiny. She actually gave me all her pads last time because she had a C-section, and it's so sad. She told me, I was so ready for the for the delivery, and then she last minute needed a C-section. So she gave me all of those, and I didn't even know what those were. It was the best thing I could ever hope for because that thing just relieves you. It's frozen. It's like a little ice pad there and it numbs your pain. It feels amazing down there because, you're constantly in pain. I'm not, a big person in taking pills. They gave me a whole thing of pills, painkillers, and I used it the first 2 days and I was like, I can't take this anymore because it does make you feel weird. You don't feel yourself. It is, you know, some type of drug. So I was like, you know what, let me handle this pain and just ignore it and try to use the pads as a relief and, you know, just breathe it out. I feel like any pain can be cured with your own mind and body. That's pretty much it. If you guys want me to add some stuff to that video as well, the prepping for the hospital video, comment below and I will add all the stuff that you guys want in that video. I just wanted to give you that quick update of how my pregnancy has been going. It's been going great. It was just that last minute anemic stuff which scared me because I felt like I was gonna give birth. Besides that, baby's perfect. Is the size of a pineapple right now, which is pretty big. I'm gonna show you the belly. Whee! Whee! It's huge. So yes, this is a close-up of the belly. As you can see, all the veins. It's normal to have a lot of veins when you're pregnant. That's why you see a lot of them. It's super. I didn't get the black line as dark as the first time. The first time I got it and it was super black. This time you see like a little shade. My belly button popped out for sure. It's out. No stretch marks as you can see. This is due to a lot of oil, and I've showed that before on my Instagram and all my videos. It's the brand Honest, and it's like a mama oil, and you can get it anywhere, Target, Amazon, wherever. Besides that, I do know that genetics play a big role in having no stretch marks or having certain type of stretch marks. So even if you do use the oil and you get them, please don't blame it on me. I'm just saying what worked on me. I do drink a lot of water. I have my whole life. Every time I go out, I order water. I have a water on me. Like, I'm very hydrated. So I know that plays a big role on my elasticity in my skin. Even though this pregnancy cost me this, which is dry skin. I have eczema. I don't know how I got it because, you know, that's just the baby caused it. The baby caused it, and it's gonna go away after birth. The doctor told me. I'm not too worried about it. It just looks like I'm 80 years old if you look at my hands. Oh, drinking water, being super healthy, fruit, genetics again plays a big role, but try to use oil more than creams. Creams dry up faster in the skin. That's what I noticed with my first pregnancy. I started the first month using, I forget the brand, but it was a cream, and I would notice that it would dry up in my skin not even 10 minutes later. I noticed the oil lasted till the next day, so I'm like, you know what, definitely oil. Please use it. I do have a friend that's pregnant right now. She's like 2 months behind me, but she told me so far she has gotten no stretch marks. So she's 6 months and has no stretch marks. That means the oil, it somehow works. I do really recommend it. Also, if you have any questions about mama products, like I can tell you guys what I use for even after pregnancy: breast pumps, bras, panties, like even the postpartum stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna show you every little thing that I bought and I'm gonna put in my hospital bag and what I'm taking back home for the rest of the recovery month, because you know I think it's 6 weeks that you have to be on watch. Like, you can't do nothing. You have to be super careful what you do because you're still on recovery from down there. C-sections are a little different. They take longer, but it's a completely different recovery method, which I won't be covering because I have never had a C-section. I can always try to do research and tell you guys what I found. So let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next video.